Welcome back, financial investors. My name is Brent, and today we're going to be doing our Monday buys video here on M1 Finance. First, we're going to be taking a look at after hours, jumping into the M1 Finance platform, taking a look at the current equity that we have in the account in order to buy some stocks tomorrow on Monday. Also, we are going to be making a deposit, and we didn't buy any stocks last week. So we're going to go ahead and go through what we're planning on buying and also look at what positions are currently negative and why I'll be kind of buying into these specific stocks. So that is what we're going to be doing in today's video. If you guys do enjoy this video, definitely hit the thumbs up button below. Subscribe to the channel if you have not yet subscribed. And of course, drop me a comment. Let me know, how are you doing right now in the stock market? Are you for moving higher, or do you believe that the market will pull back? Definitely drop a comment below and let me know. So let's go ahead, take a look currently. Stock futures going into Monday. As expected, we are continuing to rally, moving into higher highs. S&P up currently after hours 0.22%, the Nasdaq up 0.34%, the Dow up 0.22%. Taking a look overseas, the Hong Kong market is open and up 1.29% currently, which is very nice. A 1% gain there on for Hong Kong over in China on a Monday. Very nice. So huge tech rally going on overseas, and we may see the effect of that obviously here with the Nasdaq up 0.34 right now in this upcoming market. So let's go ahead and get logged into M1 Finance if I can just remember some password here. So okay, and we're over into the M1 Finance account. So currently we have $136.85 sitting in cash. Every week we deposit $115.38. That puts us as having, together we have $252.23 to invest on Monday. So we have 252.23, 252.23. That is how much we're going to be investing today. Now, taking a look at the 1 week performance, we sort of already did this. We saw what positions were up, what positions were down. Avi did a very nice increase there inside the portfolio as well as on the other portfolio. Down towards the bottom, we can see a few positions that kind of cooled off a bit. A lot of real estate investment trust. We can see Digital Realty Trust, Tanger Factory Outlet, and WP Carey, all in the bottom four. The bottom four performers here of the week. Now, jumping into the spreadsheet here, we can actually go into the holdings, and this will kind of show the same information. We can see our worst performer right now is Altria, down roughly 22%, followed by 3M, around 8.5, Abbey, down 6.18, Simon Property Group, 6.53, Johnson & Johnson, 4.64, and Chevron down 1.73. So not a whole lot here. Out of all the positions here, pretty positive here in the account. Now, taking a look here over on my live data, I actually should have saved this for Friday was the 1st. So I'm going to go ahead and actually just make a copy of this. Copy to, actually I want to duplicate this. I have to go back and get the numbers for this. But this should have been October 19. And then I should have just copied everything and pasted just the value. So I just want to capture the values. I don't want to capture any of the numbered information. It should all just be numbers. It's all just numbers now. Moving into our live data, this is what we're going to be using, and I'm going to go ahead and increase. So we can see Lockheed Martin increased their dividend to $9.60. We also see that Eaton Vance increased their dividend from 140 to now 150. I know Avi also came out recently and increased their dividend. So, but that doesn't show up currently as far as this goes. These are not working. Something changed. I'm going to go ahead and just remove those from the list for the time being. And I'm going to go ahead and leave it like this for right now. Now, that we have that sort of situated, the next thing I wanted to do, just kind of focus on our positions that are negative. We already kind of went over them over on the M1 Finance platform. Now, looking at them here, I want to have the equity of all my positions to roughly $800 before I start increasing their thresholds to say $1,000 or even higher. So what I can do is I am negative in Altria, about 25%. We saw 22, 25% there. I still have another $84 that I can invest into this specific company in order to get it to that $100 or that $800 point. We have $90 here in 3M. SPG was one that I believe pulled back this week, right? If we look at our portfolio, 1 week performance, I thought SPG had a bit of a pullback. Oop, that was Apple. Negatives, SPG. No, SPG didn't pull back. It was actually positive this week, just slightly, but still. Okay, so we are now in November. We've reached the 11th month in the year, so Chevron is going to be going ex-dividend here shortly. Johnson & Johnson also going to be going ex-dividend shortly. AbbVie went ex-dividend last month and is expected to pay out here recently if it hasn't paid out. I don't believe AbbVie has paid out yet. It will be a very nice dividend payout. I know over on my Merrill Edge platform, I do own a good number of shares over there, and I'm expecting a good payout from that platform. So I'm not going to be buying into AbbVie anyways. We have that $800 threshold here. Plus, I do hold a good amount over on the Merrill Edge platform. So jumping down into SPG, this one again goes ex-dividend in the month of November, which is awesome. And 3M also goes ex-dividend in November, and Ultra goes ex-dividend in December. So all these positions here, let's go ahead and sort these by when they are going ex-dividend. So currently, when I'm recording this video, it's the 3rd of November. This goes ex-dividend on the 14th. That is not this Thursday, but it is next Thursday in 9 days. So I'm going to go ahead and move on to 3M. They've changed the way this website goes and added a chat bubble, interesting enough. So let's go ahead, scroll down towards the bottom. So here towards the bottom, we should see that generally 3M goes ex-dividend around November 21st. So November 21st is when I can expect roughly 3M to go ex-dividend. Ultra, let's scroll down towards the bottom again on this one. We can see Ultra is a December going ex-dividend company. So this one doesn't go ex-dividend until roughly the 24th of December. So we still have a little bit of time in Ultra, but we'll see on that one. So Chevron, let's take a look. This one goes ex-dividend on the 15th of November, which is a Friday. So it's not this week, but the next week, and it's on a Friday. So that's our second one going ex-dividend. And then our final company here that's going ex-dividend is Johnson & Johnson, and that is going ex-dividend on the 25th of November. So again, we have these ordered now. So SPG on the 14th, Chevron on the 15th, we have 3M around the 21st, and Johnson & Johnson on the 25th. Those are our 4 current negative positions in our portfolio that are all going ex-dividend in the month of November. Okay, and then we have Ultra going in December. So taking a look here, we have $252 to kind of split between these. So SPG, we can go ahead and say 800 minus SPG as at 753.8, and we'll do an equals here. So equals. So SPG needs roughly $46, we'll say 50 or so, to get it up to that $800 threshold. Chevron is quite a bit of ways from getting it to 800, so I'm going to go ahead and set that one currently for the side for now. Now 3M, it is almost to the $800 threshold, so what we can do here for 3M is equals $800 minus 710.04. That would mean $89 or roughly $90 into 3M to get that position to the $800 threshold. And then we also have J&J, which I believe J&J is already, oh no, it's $53 off right around there. So we can go $800 minus, where's J&J? 747, so 747.17, and that is $53 in order to get that. So total between these, we have $188.99 to get 3 positions up to our threshold of $800. And then the remaining, so $189.99, 252.23 minus 189.99, I believe is what these had added up to. 188.99. So 188.99, and we'll do this. And these are our numbers right here. So all of these positions together is going to make $252.23. So that these are the companies that we're going to be buying in today's video and the current thresholds that we're going to be investing into each one of these. So with that sort of marked, I'm going to go ahead and move this to another page so I can kind of just look at it and kind of see where I'm going to be adding, and then go ahead and sort this way. So SPG right here is going to be getting buy, and we're going to go ahead round up to the nearest dollar, so $47 into this one, and confirm, and then back to our portfolio. Next we're going to look for Chevron or 3M there. We're going to go ahead and hit buy. It has 89.96. We're basically just going to round up to 90 there, continue and confirm. And next we're going to go ahead and look for Chevron or J&J. Chevron's right there. And we're going to go ahead and set buy sell. Chevron needs 63.24. We'll round that up to $64 and confirm. And then our final one is J&J. So looking for J&J here. Now J&J actually does show positive on here somewhere. Where is it? J&J. Oh no, it's right there. Okay. So J&J right there. Buy sell. And this one needs $52.83. We'll round up to 53. And we see here that this is going to hit $254. So we are aiming a little over what we plan on actually having available in cash. So that's completely fine. We're going to be fully 100% invested with the capital that we have into our account. So right here, we can see our estimated trades. We can select down here towards the bottom. We have 4 upcoming trades available tomorrow morning around 7 a.m. tomorrow. We can click on view details, and it shows us what companies we currently have selected and our current estimated trades based off our current equity that we do have in the account. But of course, I am going to be making another deposit there on Monday of $115.38. So those are the 4 companies that we are going to be buying on November 4th, 2019. Again, that was Simon Property Group, that was Chevron, 3M, and Johnson & Johnson. I do have more time for Altria a little bit down the line towards December in order to work on getting that up to $800. And then because Chevron is another week and a half away, and that one isn't at the $800 threshold, I may begin to add more amounts of my upcoming equity specifically into Chevron, just depending on how the weeks go forward. So that is it, and all I wanted to kind of cover in today's video. Let me know in the comment section below, do you plan on buying any stocks this week? Let me know what stocks you're planning on buying, why you're kind of planning on buying them. Are you averaging down? Are they new positions that you've recently researched and are adding into your portfolio? And that is basically it. Thank you all for tuning in. I will see you next time. Of course, if you have not yet subscribed, I would highly appreciate if you do hit the subscribe button below. Give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section do you think the market will go higher or lower? Thank you all for tuning in. I will see you next time. Have a great day. Bye.